Well, it's another day. It's not dark out today, so it's not hot yet because it's in the morning. So we're gonna try to find this leak. I've already done some investigating. I think I found the problem. Problem is right here. A big old chunk out of it. There's the band that's been ripped in half. The chunk taken out. It's supposed to be going all the way through. Must be the end of it or something because it's not on the other side. So anyway, we're gonna try to get it. Don't have time to get it in the track shop today, so we're gonna plug it here and hopefully get a plug to hold and get it back on so we can get this track go back in business. Anyway, gotta answer the phone. I went to put the video together. Turns out it was on camera mode, so I just got a picture of this footage. So we're gonna show you again how to plug it. There's another spot, as you can see right there, leaking some air. So I'll try to see if you guys can follow along this way. Nope. Move that over. Try to get you guys up close so you can see exactly how to do it. I don't want you guys not knowing how to fix these. Saving lots of money. So right here you can see this is how you can tell where the air is coming out, because it splits off and actually cuts the rubber because there's so much pressure on them. So we'll get this one right here. Make sure you guys get those cleaned out really good. You want fresh rubber on them. When you get your vulcanizing cement, put some on there. Put some on your plug. That way it glues in the track really good. Doesn't come out with the pressure, so put that in there like that. The last one I did, I found out I had to ream it a little bigger, so I just went ahead and did it first this time. And then that's, oh, did not go in. And it did not stay. Anyway. Okay. It's not working out. Get that shoved in there. Alright, I gotta get a new plug. Okay. Got the new plug. We'll start over. Don't put as much on your plug. Slips right back out. So. Oh, you dirty. Apparently, this is gonna give me the fits. I think if I get it just right. There, got it. And you will see how it's coming out. Glue that in there good. That glue will dry really good. And we got here a little liquid tape. That works really good too. Oh, we're gonna have to hold that in there. Apparently I should have reamed it a little more. So much pressure, more pressure in those air pressure than I thought in those. So let's get this to dry. It's a little later at night, so it's not as hot, it's not as curing as fast. Anyway, we'll take this liquid tape and we'll put that on there, and that'll makes like a little rubber coating on it, and it's flexible, so it works really good as well. Like I say, you don't want these plugs coming out, because if you can't get the air fix, it's a couple $1,000 to get them replaced. So we'll get these tracks washed up and get them on the machine. Well, we got these tracks plugged and the van's all covered up, so I'm ready to install it now. So we'll get it laid out and then we can get it washed. Alright, we'll get them washed up real fast and get them put back on. So, see you on the flip side. Okay, so we're getting these tracks almost put on. Went ahead and got some new rollers while we're at it. The old ones were pretty beat. Let me show you an example here. Yeah, as you can see right there, that sucker is wore out. All kinds of stuff. No good, lots of squeaking. Anyway, got our tracks washed up, got the new rollers on. So we'll get them put on. I'm by myself right now, so. Oh, and I don't know about you guys, but I love these cats, especially these 304Ds. One of the best options you can get on them. We didn't pay extra, ours came out this, so we lucked out. But they have this automatic built-in lifter or jack, just gets them off the ground. So see right here, we got our impact. You know, we got a good 18 inches of clearance right here, so makes it real handy to work on those rollers. But I don't know if your brands come with built-in jacks, but these cats are awesome for that. Hands down for them. But anyway, whatever I'm trying to say. Really love that option. So decided not to go with the new sprockets. We had new ones brought in. They're almost identical, so we're sticking with those. Idlers, front idlers. I didn't swap them out, but there's not a lot of play in those bearings, so until they're shot and wore out, we're just gonna run with them. Those are pricey. So anyway, get these tracks on and see how our patch holds up on the tracks. Well, there you go, folks. Got both of them fixed up, washed up, cleaned up. Wanted to look real slick when she went back out, so that's why I took the time to wash them up. Yeah, they worked real good. I'll have to have someone. I'm sure these tracks will stretch out a little bit. We'll have to retighten those later once you get them on, but you know, that's typical with tracks, so get them tightened up. And anyway, they go round and round. Look at that. Look at that. Almost no sag. Oh, we got them fixed up really good. Really good. show you this. Oh, wrong one. They go round and round without falling off. So anyway, just hopefully this helps you guys when you guys, you know, blow a track or ready to blow a track, and you know, instead of getting new ones, you can just fix up your old ones, save a couple $1,000s. But anyway, like I said, hope this helps you. It's been fun. It's been a fun video to put together for you guys. We'll see you on the next one.
What's up with it?